to my complete surprise, I received a letter for Mr. Bunny.
What? Did I hear
Yes,
my name?
I did. I was just in our community hanging out,
Yes.
and I found this little note
Ooh,
addressed.
boy.
Yes,
Let me
this
see.
is to Mr. Bunny, and
To
the
Mr. Bunny.
instructions were
Yes.
that there was something special that I was to give you,
Oh, boy.
and here it
Is
is.
it a carrot?
It's not. It's a letter.
Oh, a letter. Yay. I love letters.
It's a letter.
A and B and
Yeah.
C
So
and
actually,
D. Oh, I love those letters.
most specifically, those letters are spelling out a joke.
A joke.
A joke. And
Oh,
this
boy.
joke comes from Lincoln. Would you like to hear this joke,
Ooh.
Mr. Bunny?
Of course I do.
Okay, well, I'm going to read you the question, and then you're going to read the answer to the joke.
Yes.
All right, so I'm going to cover this part up, and I'm just going to read this first part. What is a frog's favorite candy? What is
Hmm.
a frog's
Well,
favorite
let's see. I know a lot
candy?
of frogs.
Hmm.
Not sure. I don't know. What is a frog's favorite candy?
Are you ready to read the answer?
I am.
Okay, let's do it. It's right here.
Says a lollipop.
A
A lollipop.
lollipop.
Oh boy, that's a good one. I love that joke. Thank you, Lincoln.
Thanks, Lincoln. I
Gosh,
love it.
I sure hope I get some more funny jokes. I love funny jokes. Well, actually, since I'm here, I was wondering if I could ask you a question.
Oh,
You
yes.
seem to be very knowledgeable about certain things, and okay, well,
Thank you.
I heard what you said about having little pesky friends in your life, and
Oh,
I have a
yes.
pesky friend myself.
You do?
Yes, he's my cousin. He's my little cousin. He's
Oh,
always getting in my business. Let's say I'm wanting to draw a big, beautiful picture of a carrot.
yes.
You know what happens?
Oh, no.
He wants to draw a carrot too, but he
Oh,
can't do it. He's just like scribble, 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 scribble. Yeah. Or let's say I'm reading a book, my favorite book, Banicula, of course.
yeah, Banicula, of
Yes, I
course.
love that book. Well, guess what he wants to do? He
What?
wants to read the book too, but I'm reading it. I don't like it. No, 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 no.
Oh, Mr. Bunny.
So I want you to tell me what is the best way to make him leave?
Oh, to make him go away?
Yeah, that's right.
Oh,
Hmm.
Mr. Bunny. I'm not sure. I'm not sure that's the kindest thing to do.
Well, it would be kind for me, Mr. Bunny.
Well, let's talk about some of the strategies that we talked about with our friends today in this little episode of the Power Hour.
No,
Okay, and let's
yeah.
see if those things help you. One, we talked about understanding the planes of development. Now, you said this little cousin of yours is younger.
Oh,
Not that kind of plane, Mr. Funny.
that's right.
Okay, but we're talking about like developmental stages. Now,
Mm.
this cousin is younger than you,
Yes,
right?
he's a very pesky little guy.
And you said that he scribbles a lot.
Oh boy, always
And
scribbling.
he really wants to be with you all the time.
I know.
And he wants to read the books you're reading.
I hear ya.
That's right. Well, it sounds like in his developmental stage, maybe he's trying to learn from you.
What do you mean? Like, what could he possibly? He just wants to bug me. That's all it is. He wants to learn how to bug me even more.
I don't think so.
Yep.
I think he's wanting to learn how to do the things that you're doing.
Like, what kinds of things?
Well, you said that you could draw a carrot and
Oh
he
yeah,
can't draw one yet.
that's
So
obvious.
sounds like maybe he's trying to learn how because you
Hmm.
can.
Really?
What do you think
Hmm.
you could do to help him learn how to draw his own carrot
Hmm.
better for him?
I don't know. I could. Well, I guess I could show him how to hold his crayon. Because sometimes he just grabs it with his big fist and he goes.
Yeah,
That's not how you do it.
that's
You got to
right.
hold it in your hand and then very carefully draw.
That's right. You
Yeah.
could show him how to hold a crayon.
Oh,
And he probably would learn a lot if you gave him a lesson on that and taught him.
well, what do you mean? Like, say, hey, you got to hold your crayon like this, not like this.
Well, maybe just showing him how. Show him how you hold it. and let him watch you.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's not a
Here's
bad
another
idea.
fun thing to try. You could ask him to teach you how to do something that he knows how to do.
He's going to teach me something?
Yeah, maybe he could teach you how to scribble better.
Hmm. Well, I
Hmm.
guess that's possible. He is really good at jumping.
Well, maybe you'd like to ask for a lesson on jumping.
Do you think? Do you think he'd give me a lesson? I mean, he's a little guy. He doesn't know anything. I mean, I guess he knows how to jump, but
Well, sometimes that's the role
hmm,
of the older person, is to learn how to teach and let a younger
hmm,
person teach you something too.
all right. Well, all right. You know what? I want to try it. It sounds crazy to me. Personally, I think that we should just cover them with stamps and put them in the mailbox. That's what I would have guessed
Mr.
first.
Bunny,
But
try it.
okay.
Try it and let us know how it goes.
All right. I'm going to try it and then I will let you know. You know what? I'm going to try it cuz I actually like him. He's a nice bunny. Just maybe it'd be fun to play with him instead of him like, you know, scribbling. Maybe you're right. You know what? I'm going to try it.
All right.
Thank you.
I love it.
Bye.
Bye bye, Mr. Bunny.
He seemed
Oh,
a little skeptical at the end there, but I think,
he was a little skeptical, but maybe we want him over. I don't know. I would really be curious to hear what he has to say next time he comes.
yeah, because I
If it
think if he
worked or not.
tries it, it's not gonna
Yeah.
be like an instant
No, I mean,
experience, like a successful experience. But if he opens his heart, yeah, it's pesky when you have little guys around the house. So, my sister, when I was a little, was always bugging me. Oh, I bet your
that's not
brother.
what I've been hearing.
Okay. Well, maybe I was the bugging
I'm
one.
not touching you. I'm not touching you.
Well, it is a big challenge, but it is a part of the madness that is the joy of having children and homeschooling too. So the Montessori method will give you techniques to like lean into that, but at the end of the day, part of it is about talking with your kids and helping them understand what's going on as well, and empowering your older kids to feel like a part of the solution. So not just telling them to, stop complaining or something like that, but instead acknowledging that it is frustrating and then problem solving on what you might do together.
That's right.
That can often be a good solution.
Well,